Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a glitter effect into your videos using CapCut app. It's a very easy process and we're going to go through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the CapCut app if you haven't already. Once you download it, launch the app on your phone. After you open the app, you can see the new project button. Tap on it. Now select the video or photo that you want to add the glitter effect to and tap on add. Now the file you selected will be imported to the CapCut project. Now you can start editing. In order to add the glitter effect, navigate to the menu options at the bottom. Here you can see the effects option, tap on it. Select video effects. Now at the search bar, type in glitter. Now in the effects page, you can find different glitter effects. You can choose according to your needs. For now, I'll select glitter burst. Once you're done selecting, tap on the check mark. Now you can adjust the timing of your glitter effect in the timeline. And you can play the video. And there you go. That's how you can add the glitter effect into your videos in the CapCut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.